friends, welcome to our channel Cutie Birds.
Yes, friends, I hope you all are fine, right? Yeah. So, this is the dam that I said you, that is Rafisa Dam.
Yeah.
Yeah, I said you in the She's Park
Sure.
video, right? That is Rafisa Dam.
Dam.
Yeah. It is so beautiful when we are looking from parking side. So it's like, in the upside, it was so beautiful to see. Very nice to see, okay? In the small place, they have made a park also.
Kids for play.
Yeah, for playing for kids also. They made a playing area for kids also. In the small place they had made a park. In that park they made a playing area for kids
Mountains
also.
and dam only natural.
Yeah, other artificial.
Another
So in the UAE, most of the peoples have seen this dam. I know, but sometimes also many little more people should not see this. So for that, this video I'm taking, right?
don't forget to come here.
Yeah, please don't forget to come here. So while we are going here, we see a playing area this side. So this side.
The
So
playing area.
so we don't have to go to playing area. We have to see the dam
Dam and this all Rafisa Dam.
yeah. So we came to see like this. So the playing area side of this, we have like this
We will
swipe.
say everywhere you can see this playing area.
Yeah. So now we are walking through the playing area. Then only we will be reaching to the boat riding side.
Yeah. In evening, it's not more rush.
Rush here. There's no more rush
Yeah, in night is more rush.
in the playing area, right?
Yeah.
But in the evening, only boat riding side many rushes there.
Yeah.
But in the playing area, that is not too much. It is not only night. It is too much.
Yes. Now we are going to ride the boat.
Yeah. So before this, I want to say you something that we taken this video before the Ramadan. Okay, we can't take the video while the Ramadan because we are so fasting. We will be tired. So we take this Ramadan video before the Ramadan. So I forgot to ask you something that how is your fasting is going? Is it good? I think it is good. Okay, guys, when I on the way we saw the waterfall,
fall.
so beautiful. So like a small, like they made a
waterfall.
yeah, so beautiful to see, right? I love this.
Yeah.
I am seeing like this first time, like in this dam. So
I like
beautiful.
to see like this all.
Yeah, so beautiful to see. How to see? What I will say, it's so beautiful.
Now look, many plants and
Yeah.
waterfall.
From there it is flowing.
And small
And
park.
side of the waterfall you can see like this view. So in here in this rocks directly it is flowing the water to the dams. It is directly it is flowing the water
Yeah.
to the dam, right?
Yeah.
So very nice. From we are looking from the waterfall itself, the dam, the rocks, the plants, the mountains.
Yeah.
So beautiful. You must come here.
Don't forget to come here.
Yeah, you must
Cows
come.
want to come.
Yeah, sure you should come here. So this is the playing.
Wow.
Yeah, this side I
Yes,
think so.
many plants are there.
Yeah,
It's
so
full
beautiful.
green color.
Yeah,
They made a small park and this park all
yeah,
only mountains and dam only natural.
yeah. It's so beautiful. You guys must should come. Okay, don't
Yeah.
forget to come here. The most of the people in the UAE, I know you will be seeing here.
Yeah.
Okay, at last we reached many walkings there. After all, we reached in the boat riding side. So we are standing for the queue, right?
Yeah.
We are standing for the queue. So there are many to walk, but they didn't make us very bored. It makes a very good mood.
My father and uncle
He's standing in front. That's why we are going front. BCC we are taking video, so little time is up.
Now
That's
we are
it.
this is ticket space.
Yeah, this is ticket side, right?
Yeah.
So we have to take the ticket from here.
Then only we can go to the.
Yeah, of course. And we are standing in the queue. Okay, many people
Yeah.
also right in the boat riding area. Only in the evening it will be more rush.
Yeah, we can see so many plants and dam and mountains.
Okay, here you can see that many boats. 3 boats are there.
can sell these
in
boats.
brown pedal boat 60, donut boat 100, like that something.
Yeah. Now here full
Here
plan.
plants also very nice. And after when we are going to there, they will be checking our temperature. Then
Now
only
we
they
are-
will be allowing to go to ticket area. So
Now
our
this is
temperature
ticket
is
here.
normal. So this is ticket area. We reached
Yeah.
in the ticket area and we take the ticket. We choose a boat
Yeah.
and we take a ticket and we should take the ticket and we should submit in this side. We should submit our ticket over here. So after checking our tickets and after submitting our tickets only they will be allowing to come here in this side. And after that they will be giving
A jacket.
safety jackets they will
Yeah,
be giving. We
to
have
put.
to we have to wear, then only they will be allowing us to ride the boat.
Yeah.
We take the video many days before, okay, in
Yeah.
like after little more days it will be coming like summer season. So in this dam and all you will be you should go like in little good time, right, in winter seasons like
At
that.
last we
Yes,
started
at last
riding.
we have started our boat riding, right?
Yeah, so I'm very excited.
We are so excited, right? So
Yeah.
at last our excited is coming soon. And
Yeah.
oh my god, we didn't accept like these things because when we came the last last year we only came to the Refisa Dam bridge only. We didn't come to like this the
Yeah.
dam and all. Only we see from the upside, so it's like so
Yeah,
beautiful.
we was on a bridge.
We
only.
didn't accept like these things, okay? So beautiful, mashallah, so beautiful, right?
Yeah.
So beautiful. See, many boats are riding over there.
Yeah. Can see.
Yeah.
Here some deers are there in this.
Yeah,
side.
you can see this side deers and all.
Left side.
We are playing with water, okay?
Yeah, that's why water is coming.
Yeah. Cows. So in this side, deers and all also there.
Then
So we see in the dam, ducks, deers and all.
you can see ducks.
Yeah, so nice.
Is it
see?
good?
Oh my god, what's it? Yeah, very good. Nice duck, right?
Yeah.
We are first time we are seeing like this
Go
near.
look first.
Yeah, we are first time I'm seeing like this near by the ducks, okay?
Yeah.
And riding in the boat and that side the ducks and all.
Yeah.
So oh my god, so
cute.
cute.
Mashallah.
I love white and fluffy ducks, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so beautiful. I love them. I like white color too much, so I
You can
like
see
everything.
deers.
Like yeah, you can see here deers,
Three deers
dams,
also.
mountains, and also ducks and flowing waters,
All.
everything. And we are riding it. So wonderful, right? You have to come.
Yeah.
You must should come.
Of course it come.
Yeah. See water.
One duck is
So
what is
and the-
doing?
Yeah, I think it is only.
Duck only. Yeah.
No, it is helping another duck, I think. So.
Yeah.
Because
Go
it
to
is,
water.
yeah, so it is
inside.
helping.
You can see.
Okay. By the way, when we came in the dam, also by riding the
Yeah.
boat,
A
we have
small
seen all again a small
waterfall.
waterfall in the side of the dam. Also, it's so beautiful to see. Okay, very beautiful, right?
Yeah, it's also beautiful.
I love in that side waterfall also too. Total 2 waterfall are there from that.
I
side
like
also.
this. Rafiza Dam full.
Completely alive. Oh, a group of duck is going. Oh my God, we are nearby a one
Look.
duck.
Legs.
So beautiful.
These legs.
See how they're swimming. See how they're going. Look their legs. It's moving. Oh, so cute.
I like it, Daddy.
Okay, guys.
Now,
Our
they,
boat
gave,
riding is finished.
they gave half an hour.
Yeah, they
ride.
gave only half an hour to ride.
Morning to evening.
So they only gave half an hour to ride. We didn't ride morning to evening. Only we in the evening. The only time for the boat riding is morning to evening, and we will remove the jacket and all, right?
Yeah.
And our half an hour finish come fastly. Our half an hour finish and come. In one boat, not me. In one boat, my sister, my father, and my mother gone, and one another boat, my uncle and me gone. So me and my uncle is coming. That's why my father, my sister, and my mother is waiting for us. Okay, that's why we are standing over here.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we also came and we remove our jackets and we sanitize our hand and we gone
Look,
from
look,
here.
look.
And you can see, oh my God,
Fish.
fish also it is there. You see?
I think that duck is going to catch that fish.
Yeah, see, he's looking and standing for the fish.
I think it's naughty duck.
Naughty duck. Naughty duck is going to catch the fish.
Yeah.
So nice. Okay, we enjoyed it as well.
Then our boat riding is finished.
Yeah, we enjoyed as much we want, especially the boat riding. We didn't accept this. We didn't accept this.
Yeah.
So beautiful. See, now it is almost Maghrib time. That's why they're saying to finish the time. So we have to go. That's why no one is in the I
Yeah.
think the dam. No one is in the dam. No one is there. It's only Maghrib time. It's only I think so. They're only giving morning to evening.
This
So-
is slippery floor.
Yes, this is also slippery for. Okay.
You want to go?
Very carefully we have to go. Sorry for taking like trembling. So because you have to go very carefully. That's why the camera is trembling. Okay, sorry for that. And I mean shaking. It is shaking.
Yeah.
So sorry for that. So you have to go very carefully. They given warning.
Yeah.
So
Our riding finished.
we enjoyed and we came back. So nice. What we can say? That much very nice, right?
Yeah. Here are many plants. are
Yeah, now it's
there.
Maghrib time, right? Some of the
Yeah.
side they put the lights and all. See,
Yeah,
they
so
put
nice.
lights and all. So no one is in the dam now.
Yeah. In evening and morning also.
Yeah, there's no one. See, you can see no one is in the dam now.
Yeah.
And we have little tired, right? We have little
So
tired.
I sit.
So my sister sit over there. She's asking, I want to sit, I want to sit, I want to sit. So it's almost my return. So we are
Yeah.
going now.
They put lights and all.
Yeah, now she sit down there. Okay.
Yeah,
And
I'm
my
very
mother said to
tired.
sit there.
I'm very tired.
She's so tired. She's saying that she's so tired, right?
Yeah.
But I am not tired, okay? She's not tired, but I'm not tired. It's so beautiful. We reach in the Rafisa Dam the correct time only. We seen the evening time also. It was very good and we enjoyed the boat riding and the Maghrib time also we enjoyed. We have seen the evening vibe also and also Maghrib vibe. In the Rafisa Dam we have to reach in the 4 o'clock so it will be very nice, okay? 4 o'clock. It will be correct time. So guys, thank you for watching our video. So please don't forget to subscribe. After subscribing, you will be getting a bell. Please click on that. So what I'm doing a video, you will be getting a notification. And also don't forget to comment and like. Bye.